Oh, she gets really excited when she knows I'm going to be spraying her with this. It's time for a bath. Excitement, excitement, and the spreading of the wings. Spreading of the wings. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Give me that water. Love it. Loves it. Makes her really happy. She's so cute. And she's still excited. What you want to do is spray the water just above your cockatiel. She can go all day long if I let her. See how she's spreading her tail? Because she doesn't want to miss a drop. Is it over? Is it not? Is it over? Is it not? Do you want some more? Oh yeah. Give me some more of that fine water. Okay, maybe she's had enough. Hey Tutti, did you like your bath, Mama? Yeah, I liked it. Love it. Let's take a shower. I'm clean. The other bird's dirty. He's gross because he's a boy.